Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the developer options on this watch. So to enable the developer options on our watch, we need to wake up the screen to see the watch face, then press the button, the crown button again to open the menu. Now we can scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you will need to scroll down and tap on the system option. And here you need to find the option called about and tap on it, of course. Now find the option called versions. It's going to be under the device name and tap on it. And then find the build number. And once you find it, keep tapping on it until you see the message. You are now a developer. And you can press the crown button. No, don't press the crown button, my bad. You can swipe right on the screen to go back. And go back to the main page of settings. And at the bottom, the developer options will appear. And we can tap on it. And here we have the developer options. You can enable the ADB debugging, the OEM unlock, and stuff like that. As you can see, there is quite few options you can play with. Though I don't recommend to just turn on and off random options if you don't know what they're doing, because yeah, it might break something, so be cautious. Anyway, once you're done with the developer options and you don't want to use them anymore, you can simply disable them by tapping on the switch right here at the top. And once you disable the use developer options and go back to the settings, the option will disappear from here. And you will need to go to the about, find the build number and tap on it repeatedly again to enable the developer options. And that's about it. That's how you enable and how you disable the developer options on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.